Hi, I'm Joseph Urban, and there's Susan Urban, and we facilitate equine-assisted leadership and team development workshops for corporate groups right here in Opelousas, Louisiana. And this is Elzina, one of our equine partners here at Dashing W Farm. We want to fill you in on the process involved in planning for and conducting a workshop for your organization. But first, let's talk about why your team should make a trip to Dashing W Farm.
There have been several recent studies about why some teams succeed and why other teams fail. The common result from these studies is that social capital is the key to success. Social capital refers to the trust, behavioral standards, and unwritten rules that influence team performance and lead to quality group interaction. You can build social capital by forming strong connections within the team where each person has trust and respect for all team members. Teams with social capital also don't avoid conflict. They practice healthy conflict by showing empathy for other people on the team and allowing everyone to freely express their ideas without fear of criticism. And it's been shown that teams that work together effectively through healthy conflict promote creativity within an organization and also are more productive and profitable. And what organization doesn't want to be more profitable?
Our equine-assisted approach to team development involves doing groundwork with horses in a safe environment. No riding is involved and no experience with horses is needed. Since horses are highly attentive to their environment, horses give immediate feedback about the actions of workshop participants. As facilitators, we help your team discover what the interactions with the horses reveals about communication challenges among the group. And it's interesting how these fun and engaging activities with the horses in the relaxed setting of the farm help to create what we call aha moments within the group. We then facilitate you through the process of defining an action plan for change, for developing the social capital that your team needs to be more productive.
Before every workshop, we conduct an assessment of each participant using the Clifton Strengths Assessment from the Strengths-Based Leadership book by Tom Rath of the Gallup organization. This approach is an important assessment that helps participants appreciate the diversity of strengths within the team and how to combine those strengths to produce results. At the end of the workshop, your team will leave with a lifelong memory of what they learned from the horses about how to strengthen who they are as individuals, as team players, and as leaders of others. And this glimpse into group communication that's provided by working with the horses is what gives equine-assisted learning its meaning and its impact. And that's what makes our approach different from other team building approaches.
You can find more details about our corporate leadership and team development workshops on our website. So check it out and give us a call to start planning a unique learning experience for your team.